What if the first meal of your day could improve your energy, support muscle growth, protect your heart, and help you stay healthier as you age? Many men start their morning with sugary cereals, processed foods, or simply skip breakfast completely. But your breakfast is more than just a meal. It is the fuel that decides how your body performs throughout the day. Today, we'll discover the best breakfast foods for men that are packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and essential nutrients your body needs. Let's begin. Food number 1. Eggs, the complete protein powerhouse. The first and one of the most powerful breakfast foods for men is eggs. Eggs contain high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscles. They are also rich in nutrients like vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, which support brain health and energy production. For men who exercise, eggs can be an excellent choice because they help maintain muscle mass and keep you feeling full for longer. A simple breakfast of eggs with vegetables can give your body a strong nutritional start. Food number 2. Greek yogurt, protein for strength and recovery. The second food is Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt contains significantly more protein, making it a great option for men who want to support muscle health. It also contains probiotics that support a healthy digestive system. Add some berries, nuts, or seeds, and you have a balanced breakfast full of protein, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Food number 3. Oatmeal, long-lasting energy. Third on the list is oatmeal. Oats are one of the best sources of complex carbohydrates. They release energy slowly, helping you avoid sudden crashes during the day. Oats are also high in beta-glucan fiber, which supports healthy cholesterol levels and heart health. For a powerful combination, mix oatmeal with nuts, cinnamon, and fresh fruit. Food number 4. Berries, nature's antioxidant boost. The fourth breakfast food is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. They are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a smart choice for men who want better health and weight management. Adding berries to yogurt or oatmeal can instantly upgrade your breakfast. Food number 5. Avocado, healthy fats for men's health. Next is avocado. Healthy fats are extremely important for men because they support hormone production, brain function, and heart health. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber. Adding avocado to whole grain toast with eggs creates a nutrient-rich breakfast that keeps you energized for hours. Food number 6. Nuts and seeds. Small foods, big benefits. Nuts and seeds are another excellent morning choice. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats, minerals, and plant-based protein. Walnuts especially are known for their omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. A small handful can make a big difference in your daily nutrition. Food number 7. Salmon or lean protein, the premium breakfast choice. For men looking for an advanced, health-focused breakfast, salmon can be an excellent option. Salmon provides high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which support cardiovascular health and reduce inflammation in the body. A breakfast with smoked salmon, eggs, and whole grains is a powerful combination. Remember, a healthy body is built through small, daily choices. The best breakfast for men is not about eating more food. It's about choosing the right foods that provide protein, energy, and essential nutrients. Start your morning with foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, oats, berries, avocado, nuts, and quality protein sources, and your body will thank you. If you found this information helpful, subscribe for more science-backed health and nutrition videos that help you live stronger, healthier, and longer. Your health starts with your first meal of the day.